Hello and welcome to PolyPediaOnline. I'm Iris Mishly. Today I want to show you a quick project using wood blocks. Wood blocks are traditionally used in textile printing. They are made of light weight wood and are hand-carved, mostly handmade in India. They can be stamped on paper, t-shirt, bags, soaps, towels, as henna stamps, and can even be used as stamps for clay and pottery. The printing blocks can be used as stencils for repeated patterns. Then you can create beautiful designs on your fabrics or clay. If you use them with watercolors, wash the stamp lightly after use with hot soapy water. If used with acrylic paints or other colors, wipe stamp after use with damp cloth. Now, let your imagination run free. Enjoy this class.